First, download BusinessBot app from Play Store or Google to make account and open it. I have already created account in BusinessBot. Let's start next step. Open our official bot and send this message in the bot in capital letters: watch video.
Then he will ask you for your BusinessBot Gmail. Send your Gmail to get bot codes. You can see our bot is successfully added in our BusinessBot account. Now we will make a bot with bot father and copy bot token to edit bot token in bot. We have successfully added our bot token in bot. Now we will start the bot. Now we will check all bot cammonds, that where you need to edit the codes and messages.
Here you can add any country code and name for ban country users. I have added USA. You can change here your buttons and referral profit watch video to edit.
I am adding per refer 0.1 TRX in place of 0.5 TRX. Here you can add your channel's username and make an admin to the bot of your channel or group. Edit here same referral message so that members can tell to know about referral system. You can add more messages according to you, no problem. You can add here your username, or you can leave it or add other cammon. Set here your Telegram account. You can use this bot. Forget your user ID. Remember that all links are available on Telegram channel. You can add here your any website, apps, or bots link for promotion. Add your channel link here and forget to make an admin to the bot. Set here your minimum withdrawal amount. Watch video for know about it. I have added minimum withdrawal 3 TRX. You can change it. You can change here your bonus time like per hours, and you can change here your bonus amount also. I have added 0.001 TRX in every 24 hours. Set here your same minimum withdrawal amount and message. I have added minimum withdrawal 3 TRX. You can change it. Set here your Telegram account. You can use this bot. Forget your user ID. Remember that all links are available on Telegram channel. Now we will start our bot to show you some more cammonds settings. We have claimed our bonus already, so showing this because we have added only once you can claim bonus. You can see all cammonds are working fine. You can change referral system message in bot from referral cammon. You can add here more options or make it normal so that members can send amount as their choice. I have added one more option. You can see how to add in bot. You can change this message in bot. Watch video to know how to change. We have created this bot with manual payment system. Then you will get a message from bot when anyone will withdraw their amounts.
It will help you to ban a fake refers members if you found like you can see same names etc. You can pay in member address to copy that message to send in your payment channel if you have made any payment channel.